MRA is here today at Michigan CareerQuest, showcasing two of our clients' custom mobile exhibits. Michigan CareerQuest is Michigan's only interactive career exploration event for local high schoolers, generating interest in fields such as technologies, health sciences, construction, and manufacturing.
MRA is the marketing and logistics company that worked with the American Welding Society to build the Careers in Welding exhibit. We helped fabricate the entire single expandable. It actually just started as a 53-foot trailer. We work on the logistics, everything from start to finish to get the AWS trailer out on the road.
AWS, or the American Welding Society, has been a client of MRA's for several years now. They initially approached us due to a lack of interest in the skilled trades field.
Over the past decade, the demand for welders has boomed. We need over 220,000 welders right now.
Through onboard interactive displays like virtual welding, AWS tours the countries, including many community colleges and local high schools, in an attempt to generate interest in the skilled trades.
We go out on the road informing people that there's a huge demand for welders. So if it's something that people are interested in, we can send them home with information where they can apply for scholarship opportunities, find jobs in their area. Over the span of the tour, we've had really great feedback. One of my favorite things is when we actually have people who come back and tell us, I'm in welding school, or I'm employed, I got information from you guys. From educators to people in the industry to students, the feedback has been fantastic over the years.